Hey everybody, welcome back to another Tech Support Spy video. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I'm trying to bring to you on this channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please follow us on Instagram at TekSupportSpy. Also follow us on Twitter at TekSupportSpy. Also like the video, comment, and subscribe to everyone about TekSupportSpy. All right. So this video is going to dive into Mac versus Windows. I've always wanted to do like some type of teaching tutorial on Macs or doing a teaching workshop on Mac versus Windows. There's a lot of users who are Mac users or Macintosh users that have been scared or have not made that transition from Mac over to Windows. Just to learn both Windows and Mac. You know, the world is built of different computer systems, and a lot of it is Windows and some of it are Macs. Majority of our users within the world are PC Windows users, but those users who are Mac users have never crossed over from Mac over to Windows and vice versa, Windows over to Mac. I've always wanted to do some type of teaching tutorial video of Mac versus Windows, and I think now that I have this YouTube channel, I can start to do some of those videos and just showing you the differences, the different, aspects between Windows and a Mac. It's two different operating systems, Windows 10, Windows 11, the Mac OS, you got Ventura, you got Catalina, Big Sur. I'm just naming a few different versions of the Mac OS, but there are some differences. There's a lot of differences between where you click and where you navigate between both operating systems. And I always wanted to do some type of training or some type of teaching tutorial on Mac versus Windows. So I said, why not do a YouTube video? Why not start a series of Mac versus Windows and put it on YouTube, put it on the Tech Support Spy channel, and allow for people to see the differences between the two. And there are other videos out there talking about Mac versus Windows, but I want to put both of these side by side. Put a Mac right here, Windows right here, and just show you the differences between the two, and hopefully you learn something. Hopefully you learn something from these videos. That's what Tech Support Spy is for. That's why I'm here, is to help those who are non-tech savvy learn about technology and computers. So we're going to look at this Mac here. This is a MacBook Pro. It's a 2018. So we're going to look at this. Well, not this particular Mac, but we're going to dive into the Mac OS. The version that I'm going to have when we go through this video is going to be Big Sur. And then, of course, we got a Windows PC here. This is a Lenovo PC. It has Windows 11 on it. I haven't even turned it on yet. I don't know what's going on with it. Has Windows 11 on it. We won't show this particular PC, but we're going to show you Windows 11 versus Mac, Big Sur, and dive into both of those operating systems. There are some things I want to get into. I don't know if you guys ever heard of the Chromebook. I'm assuming whatever viewers are watching this video, you've heard about the Chromebook. I want to do some videos on Chromebook. I want to show how to set up a Chromebook, show you different things about the Chromebook, how you can use it. So at some point, we're going to have a video come out for the Chromebook, and we'll do some Chromebook videos. But this video is to show you what is coming down the pipeline. I'm just going to do like a teaser. I'm not going to do a full video of the comparison. Those videos are going to come down the line, but we're just going to show you a teaser of what we want to do with our content for the Windows versus Mac series that I plan to put together. And I got to put down the outline and what subjects and what areas I want to do. So these videos are forthcoming. So definitely subscribe, like our content, subscribe to Tech Support Spy, and follow us. Follow us on see what kind of content and things that we're putting out here for you. And we hope that you like it and enjoy it. Trying to think of a joke. I could do a knock joke. If you saw it on last video with the audio troubleshooting Windows 11, I had a good chicken joke, a good chicken cross the road joke. I actually like that joke. If you did not laugh at that joke, you are not a happy person. I have no jokes. Nothing to tell you, nothing to joke about, but you never know. When I go through this video, I might come up with some crazy, corny joke that might will always make you smile. It's one thing about my content. You might think the jokes are not funny because, again, channel is to present to you computer content, good computer content, man, good computer content with bad jokes. So hopefully you enjoy this video. As always, thank you for watching. Let's dive into the video, shall we? All right, guys. I'm not showing my face. I want to make sure that you can see everything on my screen. So I got two virtual machines up, and on the left, I got Windows 10. I'll show you that I have Windows 10. Let's go into System here. I think it's Windows 10 Pro. Obviously, it's not activated, but we're just using it for educational purposes. So we're on Windows 10 Pro on the left. And then on the right, we have Big Sur. Big Sur. So this is version 11.0 or 11.0. So this is both Mac and Windows. And again, what I want to do is put together kind of a part 1, part 2, part 3, and I'll keep expanding depending on how you guys may like these videos, because I definitely need you guys to give me feedback. Give me feedback on these videos are giving you insight, giving you encouragement to switch over from Mac over to Windows, or from Windows over to Mac. You know, I want to see that you guys are liking this content. You know, I'm putting in a lot of work and putting these videos together, and I want to be able to put this content out so that people who are not, you know, tech savvy can learn and become tech savvy. So definitely keep up with me on this channel with TekSupportSpy, and comment, you know, let me know if these videos are good, if they're bad, give me insight, you know, give me constructive criticism, you know, I'll take it, you know, let me know how these videos are operating with you. So definitely stay engaged with me here on this particular channel. So, well, some of the things I want to look at is like the settings, right? We know in Windows 10, right? And I can do both Mac and Windows 11, but I like Windows 10 because people are still on Windows 10. You know, we have the settings, right? And how people look at the settings in Windows 10. And by the way, Windows 10 is still good until 2025. But then on the Mac side is different. You don't have like a start menu, right? You got the Finder, you got the Launch Pad, and you got Safari. Safari, obviously, if you are a Mac user, you know Safari is the default browser for macOS, same as on Windows, right? The default browser for the internet is Microsoft Edge, right? But there's no start menu. You know, if you need to go into settings, you gotta go to the Apple in the upper left corner. And it's like, for you Windows users, you're like, what? What? I gotta go to the upper left corner. Yeah, upper left corner for the Mac. Windows is the lower left corner. See the differences in the comparisons between the two? So yeah, you would go into the upper left corner, click on the Apple, you know, and then go to System Preferences, and you'll have all the settings here. I already had System Preferences open, but you'll have a lot of the similarities to settings like you would on a PC in Windows. And these are some of the things that I want to go through and kind of just do videos on. Again, a multi-part series, Mac versus Windows. I have not seen any other YouTube channel kind of break it down this way and side by side. I've seen some good Mac videos and doing a comparison between Mac and Windows, and kind of do a comparison, but I have not yet seen a YouTube channel, and let me know below if I've missed somebody or overlooked the channel. You know, let me be aware of them. I can shoot them out, give them, you know, some credit. But I have not seen a YouTube video or YouTube channel yet that are showing the differences in comparison side by side of the Mac versus Windows. So, you know, there's a lot of things I want to get into with this series, like, you know, looking at on the Mac where you got to minimize and maximize and shut down an application. It's in the upper left corner. If you are on a Windows PC, right, how do you shut down an application or minimize an application? You got to go in the upper right corner. So little things that are different. And hopefully with these videos, I can help those users understand the difference, and you'll be able to transition either from a Mac over to Windows or from Windows over to a Mac, courtesy of TekSupportSpy. I thought that was funny. Anyway, this is what I'm working on. This is what I'm putting together. Like and subscribe. Follow us on social media at TekSupportSpy on Twitter, at TekSupportSpy on Instagram. Follow us, help us build our following, and be on the lookout for the first Mac versus Windows video here on TekSupportSpy. So hope you enjoy what I'm showing you. Hope you are excited and ecstatic like I am about what's coming down the pipeline for TekSupportSpy and what we're going to put on this channel. And again, email us at content@TekSupportSpy.com. Let us know what type of other videos you'd like for us to put out here for you. If you just want to say hello, you can email us at TekSupportSpy@TekSupportSpy.com and just say hello, hola, ¿cómo está? I took Spanish in high school and I got an F in it. Well, I passed Spanish 1, I got a C. When I got to Spanish 2, I failed. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching TekSupportSpy.